So, you want to eat like a king but only have a few bucks? Today we're tackling the ultimate kitchen challenge. Cooking 3 delicious meals for under $10 each. First up, we've got black bean and sweet potato enchiladas. A can of black beans, a sweet potato, onions, garlic, tortillas and spices. All for just $8.50. That's $2 per serving. Next, how about baked chicken thighs with roasted veggies? Grab a pack of chicken thighs, carrots, broccoli, onions, potatoes, olive oil and spices. Total, $9.25 for 6 servings, just $1.50 each. Finally, cozy up with a hearty lentil soup. Lentils, diced veggies, broth and spices. 8 servings for $7.50. That's under $1 per bowl. My fave? Those black bean and sweet potato enchiladas. They're flavor-packed and super versatile. Remember, eating well on a budget isn't a myth. Got your own budget-friendly recipes? Drop them in the comments. If you're new here, hit subscribe for more tasty tips. Catch you in the next video where we meal prep like pros.